Hello guys, I'm Mohammad Abir Ahmed. My topic is about is nuclear energy the best renewable energy source for future world? So to begin with my topic, I want to start with the definition of nuclear energy. What is nuclear energy? Nuclear energy is the energy released from the nucleus of an atom. When a nuclear reaction occurs, whether it can be a fusion or it can be a fission reaction, it produces a large amount of electricity. Actually, a large amount of energy, and with this energy we can convert into electricity. So the question is, what started the issue? The first thing is the increasing rate of energy crisis. Second thing is growing sensation about greenhouse effect on environment. The third thing is that we have to reduce the burden from all other sources of energy. So in my research project, actually I want to explore the development of nuclear energy, including the positive impact of using nuclear power plants and the negative impact of using nuclear power plants. And through my research, I want to focus on the importance of nuclear energy as a renewable energy source and how nuclear energy can be the best renewable energy source for future energy crisis. So under my research, there are three objectives. Let's start with my first objective. First objective is about nuclear energy is significant and essential for future energy crisis. Under this topic, I actually go through the development of nuclear research, and I find out, according to Nuclear Energy Institute 2015, there are 435 nuclear power plants all through the world, in 31 countries, and these power plants basically provides 11% of world electricity. So just think about it, how important nuclear power plants can be. The second thing, world actually need nuclear power plants. Why? It's because according to World Nuclear Association 2015, the world will need greatly increased energy supply in next 20 years. So just think about it, after 20 years, what we're gonna do? There will be no energy, or there will be energy, but it will be not enough to fix the problem, fix the energy crisis. So let's go with objective 2. My objective 2 is about nuclear energy is more affordable source of energy and it provides cheap electricity. Under this objective, I want to show why we need actually nuclear power plants instead of all other alternative energy sources. First thing is nuclear energy is very, very powerful. According to Converse Energy Future, I find out that one ton of coal equates to 480 liters of natural gas. And it's equivalent to one barrel of uranium. So just think what actually nuclear energy can be. Nuclear energy can provide a lot of amount with a very teeny uranium, right? Very teeny amount of uranium. So second thing is it's very reliable. How is reliable? If you want to compare to all other alternative source windmill and solar panel, we have to depend on what? Wind and sun. But in case of nuclear power plants, we don't have to depend on any other things, because nuclear power plant can produce electricity in any case. So it is really a continuous process, and you don't have to depend on any other things. And the most important thing is nuclear power plant needs a very low fuel cost. According to Nuclear Energy Institute, it's really very little. You know what? We need a little amount of uranium, and the best part is what nuclear power, all other alternative, all other energy sources, they basically emits a lot of carbon dioxide, but nuclear power plants, it doesn't emit a lot, very little. So yeah, if you just want to think about any alternative source, I think nuclear power plant, according to my research, what I find out, nuclear power plant can be the best. So my third objective is about the against people, the other people. There are let's start with the third objective is about nuclear energy is environment unfriendly and poses threat to the world. The first thing first, accidental and safety issue. The Fukushima Daiichi accident and Chernobyl accident, it assumes that 30,000 people died in Chernobyl accident, right? According to what? Energy Informative 2013. Yeah, I also agree with this. It can be used as nuclear weapon. Yes, it can be used as nuclear weapon in like there are many countries who usually use who actually has like nuclear weapons. And the third thing, like people used to think like it required a lot of investment and high operational cost. And the most important thing is what? Environment unfriendly. Yeah, nuclear power plant has waste. Nuclear power plant produces some nuclear waste which is highly radioactive, and any kinds of radiation is very, very deadly to mankind and all other human being. So it's really very deadly. So it has an actually adverse effect and on environment as well. Okay, but if we just think about, if you just like think about why nuclear, we need nuclear energy. Like however we can have like accidental safety issue because it's huge investment, it has an adverse effect on environment. Still world need nuclear energy because electricity demand is increasing twice as fast as overall, than two-thirds from 2011 to 2035. So we need a renewable energy source. Every nuclear power, like every energy power plants has accidents, have accidental case. But if we ignore that case, if we just develop nuclear power plants, it can be very beneficial in future energy crisis. So in conclusion, I want to say, like, to face the challenge of future energy crisis, to provide the world people electricity in cheap price, to make world self-reliant. Self-reliant means energetically self-reliant. We need nuclear power plants. Although the danger posed by using nuclear power plant is very imminent, using nuclear power plant as a source of energy, like renewable energy, can lead the world to a better and secure future. That's all. Thank you very much, everyone.